Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs news. Kaizer Chiefs look set to trigger the option on Nkosi Ngobo's contract to extend his stay with one more further year. His contract is coming to an end at the end of June. Kaizer Chiefs look set to extend his stay with one more further year. Look, I'm interested to know your thoughts on this one. Is this the correct decision? Because I don't think so. I don't think so. Do I think Nkosingphile Ngcobo is a bad player? Definitely no. I think there's a player there. That's why he's at Kaizer Chiefs. That's why he was promoted to the first team before he turned 20, if I'm not mistaken. That's why he's been a starter, I think, for a season and a half under Kevin Hunt and Stuart Baxter. He played a crucial role. He was a crucial um, player. But then we can't run away from the fact that in the last 3 seasons, he's been underwhelming. He's very consistent. Let me just talk about this season. He has played close to 20 games. I can only name 2 games where he's played well. Recently against Kukune and the game against Magesi. Those are the only games where Nkosingphile Ngcobo played well. In all other games, he's been below average. I don't want to even talk about his performance against Orlando Pirates because he was absolutely dreadful. That's the worst individual performance from any Kaizer Chiefs player this season. He was shocking. So for me, it, Kaizer Chiefs are not ruthless. One thing about Kaizer Chiefs, we are so kind. Yeah, we go around giving out new contracts. What has this guy done to deserve one more year? He's been at Kaizer Chiefs for more than 5 seasons now. He's still not a crucial player in the squad. In his position, we have Lewang Maboe, we have Spesihle Ndlovu, we have Chabo Cele. If those 3 players are fit, he's not touching the grass. He's not. So why are we keeping him? Why? He's had enough time. He's had enough time to establish himself as an important player. He hasn't done that. So I am done with being patient with these youngsters. He's no longer a youngster. He's no longer a youngster. 5 seasons, still a young, promising player. He's been promising for a very long time now. So I think it's time to go. This is an absolute dreadful decision by Kaizer Chiefs. Once again, giving undeserving players new contracts. It's going to be a story in this transfer window. You all will be here expecting to sign Cisse, expecting to sign Sianda Ndlovu, expecting to sign Langelihle Phile and all those players. But then you'll see players like Nkosingphile Ngcobo, like Sibongiseni Mthethwa, like Pule Modi, George Matlou, being given new contracts because that's how we operate. Smash a like, let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.